In today's video, we're changing the steering wheel. Picked this one up from a junkyard in a lot better condition than mine's. Mine is all wore out here. I don't know if this is wore out or dirty. I don't want to risk it, so I just got a new one. Real simple. Disconnect the battery first and foremost. You have two screws right here. Right there, one here. I think it's a T27 star. One here. When you remove those two screws, your airbag comes out. Your airbag will come out. It's not disconnected. This is why it's very important for you to disconnect the battery. You can take a flathead and gently pop this out. And this one is just a regular plug that you unplug. This is a 17 millimeter. And then you have to remove this. I don't have a steering wheel extractor, but I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Gently, with the boot loosened like this, you want to make sure it's a little higher level than the screw, so you don't strip anything or strip the threads. Give me 1 second. It's very hard for me to do this. Okay, back to what I was saying. So you hold it there, you hit it. Well, this is the easiest way. You take this bolt off. You spray a little WD-40. You put this back on. You lightly tap it with a hammer until it should budge. Give me 1 second. And it budges. You place the steering wheel right back where you put it, where you took it off at. Make sure it's straight aligned. Everything's aligned. This way you don't have to get an alignment again. Because if you screw this up, you will have to realign your car. Alright, everything's good there. Come back with the 17. Just make sure it's torqued down. I don't know the actual correct specs to that, but I winged that one. Connect that. And this step, you take this. This only fits one direction. It literally just should pop back in. You hear a click, it's in. You realign your bag, your airbag. Come back here. This is a T30, correction, not a T27. T30. Come back around this. Try to make sure you get that in. And that's it. Do the other side. Torque these down. Come back on this side, the passenger side. See the bolt there. I usually just do these by hand. I don't want to strip nothing. You might have to press down on it. right? Once you reach the limit, I grab my tool. Sorry, it's not the easiest to do with one hand. That should be enough. Let's see if we can catch it on this little edge right here. That should be enough. You go outside. Thanks, Daddy. Get 1 second. You grab a 10mm. Come back to your battery. If you have to, I'm in New York, so if you have to pass inspection, I do not recommend you doing this, because then you will have to drive your car. You'll have to drive your car, God knows how long, till you get the driving cycles, so you can pass inspection. So this is a mod that you do after. Airbags. No lights. New steering wheel. Mod complete.